How to add music to Instagram post. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Instagram app. And then once we open our Instagram app, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click this plus icon. Once you do that, you will be redirected into this page. Now, all you have to do is to go here on the post section. And then once you are now here, just choose the image that you want to post. So let's say, for example, that this is the image that we are going to use. So click on that and then click on next. After that, in this part, you should now be able to see the suggested audio of your post, which is right here on in the upper middle of the screen. So all you have to do is to click on that. And then once you click that, you will now be able to adjust the audio. However, if you want to put another audio or music on your post, all you have to do is to click on cancel and then click audio right here. After that, just let's say, for example, click blue sky. And then once you are now here, you should now be able to see it right here. So this is now the song that's going to play on your post. So if you want to edit that, all you have to do is to click on it and then just adjust the music on when you want the music to start to. So let's say, for example, this one. And then once you're now done with this, just click on done. And then after that, just click on next. And then in this part, just click the share button. Once you click the share button, just wait for a bit until it is now posted. And then that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to add music to Instagram post.